DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am going to do a really quick eyeshadow look. I purchased two products from the CrayonCase.com and I'm just really anxious to try them out. I've heard great things about them. I didn't drop the sleeve for it. I do not know exactly what I'm gonna do, so I'm just going, you guys are going to see what look I come up with. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. As I stated, it is all nudes. Using inch on this brush, I'm going to take a little bit of that on my brush and tap my brush off on the eyeshadow palette so that we don't have any fallout, because I've already completed the rest of my makeup. And I'm going to blend this into my crease. I really do like inch because depending on what your complexion is, you'll be able to use this as a contour shade. If you're lighter complected, then you could actually use this as a really deep smoking out the eye type of shade. I do like this palette thus far because I do think that it is very versatile, and anything I do at the top of my eye I like to do at the bottom. So I'm just going to keep blending inch into the crease using circular motions and remembering to tap the brush off because you do not want fallout on your face, especially if you've already done your makeup like I have. Now I'm going to take foot and just go ahead and blend the edges of inch out. And I'm barely like touching this on the edges. I want a very soft blend. And every time I pick up a new shade, whatever I put at the top, I'm going to put at the bottom and gradually work my way over. And I'm blending out the edges of inch at the bottom and at the top using foot. The shade that I decided to use for the lid is called Astronomical Unit. And I'm just going to take a flat shader brush and pat that on the eyelid, and then I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray to wet the brush, and that's just really going to allow that color to get a foiled effect on my eye, and it's just really going to stand out a lot more on the eye. And then once I'm done applying Astronomical Unit, then what I decide to do is just take that first brush that we use with inch and foot and just blend out the edges of Astronomical Unit so that again all of the colors just really flow on the eye and you don't necessarily have to worry about really hard lines. Once I'm done applying Astronomical Unit to my lid, then, and also don't forget to blend out the edges of it with inch and foot, then I'm just going to go in with Centimeter, and Centimeter is going to act as the highlight in the inner tear duct of the eye. Just bring a little light to the eye and just really let the eyeshadow pop. And I'm going to also wet my brush again with the Mario Badescu spray and spray my brush after patting it on the eye because I want that color to stand out just like I did with Astronomical Unit. And that's it. That's everything that I did for this eyeshadow look. I just wanted to try out the brushes and the palette to kind of get a feel for them. And let me tell you guys, they are definitely a high quality product. I absolutely love them. It does come with a little slip in here that gives you the name of all of the eyeshadows, so I do like when it comes with that because it makes it easier, especially for me if I'm filming a tutorial. But I love this palette. If you guys do not have this palette, I highly recommend that you go out and get it, as well as all of the brushes. There are 7 brushes, but in this tutorial I only ended up using 3 of them, and they are just like the cutest thing. I already did like an unboxing of the product, so I'll be sure to link that video. Any other questions or anything I'm missing, I will have in the bottom bar, so don't forget to look in the description box because the question you might have might already be down there. But I don't want to make the video too long, so that's why I kind of just wanted to focus on the eyeshadow look. I hope you all enjoyed, and as always and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.